Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the vital topic of skincare as an integral part of your overall wellness routine. Your skin isn't just an outer layer, it is the largest organ of your body, serving as a protective barrier against harmful elements in our environment. Maintaining its health reflects how well you care for your body as a whole, which is why it deserves our utmost attention. Hydration is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to keep your skin looking radiant and youthful. When you drink plenty of water, you're helping your body flush out toxins and improving overall circulation. This can result in plumper, more elastic skin that appears fresh and invigorated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to maintain optimal hydration levels and allow your skin to glow from within. Next, consider the impact of your diet on your skin's appearance. Eating a balanced diet filled with colorful fruits, leafy greens, and lean proteins is crucial. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, can effectively combat the damaging effects of free radicals. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your meals not only promotes skin health but also supports improved energy levels and bodily functions, leading to a more holistic wellness experience. Exercise plays a significant role in achieving and maintaining healthy skin. Engaging in regular physical activity boosts blood flow, enabling vital nutrients and oxygen to reach skin cells. The result? A thriving complexion that resonates with vitality. Exercise also promotes a natural sweat process, helping to clear out impurities and leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is non-negotiable. Daily application of broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 safeguards against premature aging and minimizes skin cancer risk. Sunscreen isn't just for the beach. Even on cloudy days, remind yourself to apply it to keep your skin well defended against the sun's invisible rays. Lastly, prioritize self-care to enhance your skin's beauty. Indulging in activities that nurture your skin, such as soothing baths or luxurious facials, can rejuvenate your mind and body. Stress management coupled with adequate sleep promotes skin regeneration, making both essential for maintaining a youthful outer appearance. In summary, caring for your skin is a critical aspect of your well-being. Following these simple tips, you can achieve radiant, healthy skin that mirrors your dedication to overall wellness. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time as we continue exploring the world of fitness and health.